This model kit reviews of the Boeing P-12E, and it is a 1/48 scale model by Classic Airframes. Unfortunately, they don't exist anymore, but there are many of their kits floating around. And looks like we're going to have decals for two different planes. No details on the back. Looking at these sprues here. Here are our wing struts, and do have some little mold lines here or there. Here's a lower wing, and that's been glued together. I need a little bit of filler and sander there. Here's a top wing and the other side of the top wing. It'll need to go together like that. And molding quality is not all that great. Here we have our stabilizer, got a fair amount of surface detail there. Here's our engine cover, and this is for our guns. Here's our engine cowling and propeller. We've got wheels, fuselage. Not really much detail in there, but we do have some resin parts, so we'll have to have a look at those. Here we do have a piece for our, that looks like that's going to be part of our windshield, but it's very strange. There's the actual windshield there, and you've got two in case you need to cut one out. Here we have parts to build our radial engine. As you can see, they're fairly detailed. So that then goes into here with a crankcase. And this is the side of the cockpit there. And here's our cockpit with different parts to go on. So that's fairly detailed. Here we have our decals, and it looks like we have two of the exact same thing. We only need one of those. And here is our decal and painting guide. And here's the other option. Look at our instructions here. We have our parts listing here. So we put together our cockpit, and that goes inside the fuselage. Fuselage goes together along with the lower wing, the stabilizer, and the engine cover. And then we put on our guns, windshield, and top wing. Over here we have our struts being put on, landing gear, and then our engine parts. It's a fairly detailed little engine, and then some rigging. So all in all, molding quality is not great, but they do make up for it with the resin parts.